So as you can see, that the critters and the millipedes and everything have torn up our moss layer that we had here, turned it all into castings, which is a good thing, but we need to replace. So I've got this piece of moss, and we're just gonna get it a little wet down here, soak it a little bit, and then we're gonna place this right here and just let it attach itself right there. And we'll get a couple other pieces to fill in right through here. We'll probably put another piece right down in here, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we've laid down some new moss. You can see we've got new moss laid, and you can see the organic matter that has fallen down in there. We're going to leave that, but what we're going to do is replace it. Well, not replace it, but add to some sand, silt, clay, and organic matter. It's in the creek. This is replacing what has washed down. So we just add a little bit of this. And this is going to help us wick more water. It's going to help everything. Erosion. And basically all this that's underneath this moss is going to get broken down again, and the same thing is going to happen. It's going to happen, instead of it piling up on top of organic matter on top of organic matter, now new organic matter is going to pile up on top of this sand and silt and repeat the process. Probably even get some new grasses growing up out of this stuff. That's it.